Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Amarok. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 204 PS V6 3-litre turbo diesel engine. It's also automatic and it's also a 4-motion. This Amarok is a used 20 plate. We also make sure all of our approved used vehicles are ready to go. Our expert technicians make a 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle. Any faults are fixed using genuine Volkswagen approved parts. And now for a quick walk around the Amarok. To the front you will notice by Xenon LED daytime running headlights. You'll also notice a nice chrome grille in the centre of the truck with a V6 badge. In the lower part of the bumper you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. Moving around the Amarok again, you will notice that it's fitted with 19-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. To both sides of the truck, you will notice chrome styling bars. It's also fitted with power folded heated mirrors. This is ideal for when you leave the truck parked on a busy road or for cold winter mornings. To the rear of the truck, you will notice fitted with privacy windows. Now for a quick look to the back of the cab. As you can see, it comes with 3 comfortable seats. On both outer seats you will notice Isofix anchorage points for the correct child seat. Here we have a rear window. This is ideal for better vision for the driver. Now for a quick look to the back of the Amarok. As you can see, it's fitted with a chrome rear bumper with a step. It's also fitted with a tow bar, as you can see. It's also fitted with standard rear tail lights. This Amarok is also fitted with a VW emblem, a V6 badge and a 4-motion badge on the back of the trunk lid. Moving into the load area, you will notice that it's in clean condition. You'll also notice that it's got load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. This Amarok also has heavy duty suspension. This Amarok is painted in Indium grey special matte factory paint. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides of the steering wheel. Both doors have some handy storage compartments in the door. Across the dash you will notice a handy storage compartment with a 12-volt socket. This Amarok is also fitted with 5 comfortable seats in Vienna leather. Moving down to the centre console, you will notice an armrest with 2 handy cup holders. I have now finished my 360 walk around the Amarok. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior and also some key features on the media screen. I'm now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me you will notice mirror and electric window controls. Here we have the headlight switch. To this side of the steering wheel you will notice media controls. To this side you will notice volume controls. To the back of the steering wheel you will notice that this Amarok is fitted with cruise control. This Amarok has covered 19,958 miles. To the centre of the dash you will notice a media screen with the 3 major radio frequencies. Next I'd like to show you the media screen. This Amarok is fitted with a CD player. It's also fitted with 2 SD card readers, one here and one here. It's also fitted with a USB and an AUX port, which you'll find down here. This system is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system is also fitted with App Connect, which will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is Waze and one of my downloaded music apps. This system is also fitted with satellite navigation. As you can see, it's easy to use. You can pinch your fingers across the screen to make the screen larger or smaller. You can also pull the screen across to find your ideal location. If I pop the Amarok into reverse, you will notice a reverse parking camera. It's also fitted with Park Pilot technology for your front and rear parking sensors. This will help warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving down from the media screen, you will notice dual climate control, so the passenger and driver can have 2 separate heat settings. Here's where you can adjust the heat. You can also sync both the sides together if you press the sync button. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. This Amarok is also fitted with air conditioning, so this is ideal for hot summer days. Moving down to the console, you will notice two 12-volt sockets, one on this side and one here. The driver and passenger seats are also heated. They're easy to adjust, just repress the switch. This Amarok is also fitted with a diff lock, and here we have the automatic gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Amarok. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 204 PS V6 3 litre turbo diesel engine. It's also automatic and it's also a 4Motion. If you would like any more information on this used approved 20 plate Amarok, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the Amarok. You could also ask the member of the sales team to book a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.